Okay, Ben, so just going to give you some formative feedback now on your FMP project, and not going to talk about what work, about your work. I'm just going to talk to you about the work, what's on your blog, and how you can look at the work that's required by the brief, and then make sure you've got everything there. Okay, so your design and everything, and creative work you do, that's up to you. You've got, you're just looking at the way you're presenting it in your blog, okay? Okay, so we're going to start with your pitch. Now, looking at the tracking document, everything seems to be fine there. We're just going to go through it just to make sure. So you've got your introduction. I think the way you could improve this would be to add some paragraphs. It's hard to read. But just put a couple of line breaks in. Read through it. I mean, we've got to. We used a wide variety of software. Let's have a line break there. Then we started learning Maya, which we use for 3D modeling. These works where you're talking about what you learned. So we know one of the main skills you've learned this year is 3D modeling. Then that in there. And then we also learned how to use Unreal software to create a array of environments and levels, and it was more interactive games. So why not put each software in its own paragraph, so you can kind of break it down a little bit better. Just nitpicking there, but I just wanted to look. Great. So you've got your research, mind map, and then research. Really interesting looking game, that Dark Echo. I'm gonna try that out sometime. Do you think that needs updating now in your evaluation and proposal?
I actually mentioned it in the next blog post that there was a shift in the project.
Okay.
I do talk about it in the...
Because you originally just been to do the concept art,
yeah,
but now once you visualised what the idea that you want to make, you found you had a lot of time to model it and create the environment in Unreal. So. You know, that's something you could add when you're talking about your planning document as well. Okay, so let's have a look at your concept design portfolio. So you've got your pitch feedback. So that was it, wasn't it, right? That's great. So you've got your original pitch was to do the concept art for sci-fi genre world. You're going to maybe draw some buildings or vehicles or something like that, and then after your pitch you couldn't realise then that you could actually go on and model it as well. I think this is great. And we looked at hard surface modelling, which is a very specific type of game art where you okay, great. And you're looking at that. So once you decided you're going to do the sci-fi corridor, then you started looking at the resources that you were required. So you've listed the things. Would be good, and then you've got an explanation.
Yeah.
That's what I was looking for
Yeah,
then. So you've stated why you need each of those tools or equipment. Excellent. Okay, so then you've got into the primary research. Let's see. So I did variety. So let me just update the tracking document there. Oh no, let's read it. I'm going to read through it and then we'll update the track here. So it's great. Looking at different pipes and cables to get sense. You know, it's surprising, isn't it? You know, the building that we're in is quite industrial in its design. You know, a lot of all the pipe work and the cable ducting and everything is all exposed. You know, that's kind of like the industrial style of architecture, to do it that way. You know, there's nothing decorative, is it? Everything's functional.
Yeah.
In a way, that's been really helpful for you. Okay, more of an industrial and realistic feel. Good work. So it'd be nice now in your modelling or when you construct and putting all the assets together in Unreal, you just try and get some of these details and then you can do a comparison. So you can see, look, here's the primary research, and then I've got, okay, I'll arrange the pipes like that in my environment. Oh, good. And then you've considered the scale and proportions of the corridor. Yeah. Nice. Some really nice descriptions there and analysis. So, not just saying, okay, one of the secondary research images that I've used is dark. You've explained why it's dark, and and how that the design, the environment.
Yeah.
Hi Nathan. Okay.
I haven't seen Gareth, have you?
He's probably in R123 if you haven't looked there already.
He's gone out for a bit, but he will be back.
Just wondering what we're doing for Welsh back, if we're being split up.
Oh
again.
yeah, you are. You're
Oh.
going up into R123. Yeah,
Is it
Nathan.
right if I put it on the table here?
Yeah, if you want to work here, or you can use one of the spare PCs there.
Oh,
It's fine. So yeah, you've got some very good analysis there, Ben. So, good. I mean, that's lovely, isn't it? Look at like the design there. So you can see there's a city outside there. Can you ever? I've not really played this game. Can you go outside?
It's all underwater.
So no.
It's buried underwater.
Yeah.
It's the
But why are there lights on?
because the city's buried underwater. It's built specifically underwater.
Oh, right. So there's people in those buildings then.
No one's dead.
Oh,
It's sort of gone wrong, like dystopian style.
yeah. So they just left the lights on.
Yeah.
That was handy, wasn't it? Yeah, gonna go and use with the one in the corner there, yeah. Good. Feel like you could do with another bit of detail there. I think yeah. A list, because you're making the model for a potential as a portfolio piece for a university interview or to show to a developer.
Yeah.
And you want to say, I want to make the models to have to demonstrate good use of the software. So I want them to the artwork to communicate that I can use Substance Painter in my Photoshop. Do you see what I mean? So showing your level of skill or competence with those software tools. Good. And you've got your time frame. So you've got it, so that's you kind of pre-production and then you're going into your production. Okay, great. And that would be the easiest way, wouldn't it, to do the pipes, because they're just in units then that you can duplicate the line, and you have to do them once, I suppose. Yeah. So will you try bringing that into Substance Painter, or just, I guess with a bit of rotation they could all look different anyway, I suppose, depending on how you do the material. Oh, so you've got some nice descriptions there. Do you have these on Sketchfab?
No, not yet.
Yeah, put the FBXs onto Sketchfab. If you've got different material slots, you can turn up the emissive properties, so you make it as well on Sketchfab there. But if you haven't done the textures yet, wait until you've done them now. So yeah, okay, Ben, do that next then and add that to here. That's going to be one of the requirements we're going to be looking for in terms of getting everything on your blog. Yeah. Because you go in the 3D route, you want to look at all the things that were required from the asset pack project. So you probably want to show your UV maps and your texture samples. So say if you've got show all the different, your diffuse texture, your normal map, your ambient occlusion, and the roughness, and show all those maps.
Okay.
Is that okay, Ben?
Yeah, that's fine.
That's great. I think other than that, I think it's really good. The only thing to then is, I would say, do what you need now to finish your project. Get all the assets arranged in Unreal. Do the lighting, how you want it to look.
Okay.
Then make a video capture of either just do a screen capture of you testing the level, or set up some cameras to fly through and make a video that way. Yep, all your UV maps, your texture samples and all in your production blog. Your Sketchfab, uploaded to Sketchfab, and then your evaluation and reflection. So, you know, that's not, you know, you're not far off completing it, really. Alright, so well done, Ben.
Okay.
Really good. Okay, I'm going to send this to you now. If you forget what the list that we just said of what you need to do is on the recorder.
Thank you.
Okay, cheers, Ben.